That dipstick back here, it's orange. And pull this out. And it's dragging coming out. So it's up to here right now. So we're going to start it and run it and see how it comes into the check. And then we're going to double check it. But on the top of it, it says
It's hard to see it.
engine oil. Yeah, it says engine oil, but it's orange, so you can get at it. So let's get the cap on. We'll fire it off and double check the level.
So it's right over by the driver's side tile wall.
Yeah.
Right, so you want to dry the dipstick off to get a good reading.
Make sure it's bottomed in the dipstick tube. And we are right at the bottom of the check. So we'll put a half a quart in it, and we're at 7. We'll be 7.5. We'll be right on the money.